Do you see recruiting and talent acquisition as one of the key struggles in Phoenix's future success?
I think that's in the state of Connecticut right now. I chair the Advanced Manufacturers Employers Partnership. They call it AMEP for short. Mm-hmm. Our single strategic vision is to retain, recruit, retain, and then train people to be able to do a better job wherever they work. Right now, we have a very huge vacuum for what I call M or I 4.0 or 3.0, either one. 3.0 right now is CNC manufacturing and advanced manufacturing. It's the state of the art today. We have not trained our previous generations to be machinists or to be welders or to be good construction workers, or even, medical's been pretty good, but there's still some gaps in that. Yep. So in the state of Connecticut, because we have let the infrastructure degrade for the vocational school system, because we have let arts and industrial arts out of our high school because of budgetary concerns. Now what's happened is we've our parents wanted us to have a better life. They wanted us to go to college. They wanted us to be doctors and businessmen and financial experts. Well, there's no machinists left. There's no welders left. There's no really good construction people who are in the trades, electricians.
Is the why behind that even really important at this point? I mean, I was going to ask the question. It is. We are where we are.
It's
how
past.
We got here is what it is.
Spot on, Ari. But now what are we going to do about filling the short gap?
Yep.
Okay. So we work with Asnuntuck, Goodwin College, Manchester Community College, to try to help the colleges understand what the curricula should be. So then when they train these people coming into the business, they're training them to do the job the right way. And then when they graduate from these institutions, they can come into the workforce and be productive workers. Okay. The other half of it is we don't even know what I 4.0 is. So I 4.0, for people who may not understand, it's the new industrial revolution where we're talking about robotics, additive manufacturing, cobots, if you've ever heard of such a thing.
Augmented reality training, all that kind of, there's some cool stuff going on in that area.
It's unbelievable. And, we have a huge robot at Phoenix, right? It's a big robotic system. The machines work with the robot works with the people. At the end of the day, the machines even give you a call. They text you and say, hey, I need you to help me run, right? And that's just, I think, again, it's Glenn's view, right? It's the tip of the iceberg on I 4.0. I really believe that there's going to be a huge depth to this that we haven't even explored yet. I took a trip to BMO in Italy. It's their technology convention. And the Italians and all of the Europeans are extremely interested in I 4.0, and they're moving in that direction very rapidly. We have to move that with that kind of velocity here